Here's an electric heater that one of the vendors, or actually the owner of the flea market, gave me this morning. It's a Eagle Electric Manufacturing Company, catalog number 500, and it has under the name on the badge, "Precision is not an accident. Brooklyn, New York. 550 watts, 115 volts. I don't know how old this heater is, but judging by the type of power cord it's got on it in the base, I would say probably from the 1930s or 1940s. There's a better look at the base, and there's the back side of it. And this heater still works, and it throws out quite a lot of heat. Actually, I think this heater throws out more heat than that oil-filled radiator that I bought a year or two ago to help heat my shop. And this one uses less power, so let's plug it up and give you a little demonstration. Turn the light off here. Eventually I want to sand this thing down and repaint it, because it is a little on the rusty side, but I like this heater and I want to try to restore it. If anybody has any information on this heater, like when it probably was made, I'd appreciate it. And by the way, the heating element is easily replaceable. It's just a screw-in heating element assembly. And I understand that they're actually still made, so if this burns out, and if I have to replace it, it shouldn't be a problem. I've actually fixed a couple of these heating elements in the past, and usually they break right where the nichrome wire connects to the AC input terminal, and I've been able to fix them that way. Just stretch the wire a little bit and clean it and reattach it. Usually work okay, but this thing is throwing out quite a bit of heat. Okay, there you go, my vintage Eagle electric heater. Thanks for watching, and more to come later. And by the way, here's the heating element assembly out of the Eagle electric heater. This looks like the one that came in it. This is an Eagle branded heating element, catalog number 415A, and the best part, made in USA. So there you go, my vintage Eagle electric heater. Works real good. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.